Hey cooking family, in this video, I'm going to be making 2 cinnamon rolls. That way you don't mess up and eat them for the rest of the week. So let's get started. I'm just going to put 1 little sprinkle of sugar, and then I'm going to go over to the sink and get 1/8 of a cup of warm water. Be right back. Got my warm water, and I'm just going to need a half a heaping teaspoon of yeast. I'm going to sprinkle that on the water and just let it sit. I'm just going to go to the microwave and melt a half a tablespoon of butter really quick. To the melted butter, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of milk and a tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to dump that in and add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to stir that, and then I'm going to add the yeast now. Just going to add some flour to make a nice soft dough. Now you just want to knead it for a minute till you have a nice soft dough. And then we're going to let it raise. While the dough is rising in the oven, I got some mango and banana out in a couple baggies, and going to go ahead and put together a little smoothie bag. So all we got to do is put it in the blender in the morning and it'll be all done. I got my 2 baggies out, and I'm just going to put 1 banana in each bag, and it's easier to just slice it up really quick. And then for some omega-3s, I'm going to go ahead and put a tablespoon of ground up flax seeds in each one. 1 cup of mango in each one. Then all you got to do is seal them up and get them out in the morning and put them in your blender, and you can add either milk, plant milk, or water, whatever you prefer. Dinner break. While the dough is raising, I made myself a caprese sandwich, and I fell in love with caprese sandwiches at the Seattle airport, and they make a really good one there. When I remember the name of the restaurant, I'll put it up on the screen. And my favorite bread and butter chips, and I have never tried this Olipop drink before, but I'm going to be trying it today. Hopefully it won't be too sweet. I don't really like sweet drinks, but it's going to be worth a try. I'm going to try it right now so you guys can taste it with me. It's not too bad. It's a crisp apple. It doesn't taste that appley though. I don't really like things with stevia in it, but all the other ingredients were actually really good. So for just something to try. Here's a new one to try if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below if you have. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat. Thanks for coming along with me in this week's video. Hope you can make the cinnamon rolls and the smoothie bag really soon. You won't get off track by only having one cinnamon roll on the weekend. So happy cooking. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll put a couple more videos on the end screen that you might enjoy. So see you next week.